Welcome back. So today, again, we have a new high for Bitcoin. We went up to 124.4 before coming back down, but look at it, it's still at 123.8, holding very strong. The momentum may not be over. We may get some additional buying from Asia and Europe before tomorrow. And we're only like $80 away from all-time high for ETH too. So today could be a monumental, okay? Not only for Bitcoin, for ETH, for all of crypto, because we have others that have gone up a lot today as well. So it's a good day all around. It's really a good day all around. It looked like it was going to be a great day this morning, and then we kind of just like trickled upwards, which is fantastic. So obviously we've broken a new high territory. We're getting random whales that are buying. Someone bought $656 million worth of Bitcoin today. No one knows who this whale is, but obviously a lot of money is flowing in, right? You got a lot of people paying attention, a lot of people on Wall Street, a lot of people, just generic whales all over the place. So this is absolutely fantastic. And of course, institutions, they are here. I cover ETF inflows pretty much every day. We see massive inflow, hundreds of millions to billions being bought every single day by institutions, either Bitcoin and now ETH. Tomorrow I'm going to show updated numbers. But even on Coinbase, we're getting 75% volume from the institutions. So this is really good and really bad if you think about it, because really good right now because it's lifting up the prices, right? We formed a new all-time high for crypto market cap of 4 trillion, all-time high for Bitcoin. ETH is probably right around the corner. It's all good. But what's not good is these guys are buying boatloads of your favorite crypto, right? This is why you don't want to sell to them. I've always said, DCA and HODL. If you sell, you're selling to these big boys and they don't need any more. They don't need any more. So things are looking good. Let's see what happens tonight leading up to tomorrow. If we could see more all-time highs or if the market needs a breather. We always see the market take a breather. Okay, we'll see. But besides Bitcoin, alts are on fire right now. At least the big cap alts. Not everything. We're not in full-blown coin season yet. But Bitcoin dominance continues to come down. It's below 60%. It's holding below 60%. And like previous cycles, when Bitcoin's dominance starts coming down into the 50s, 40s, 30s, that's when alts get super, super, super hot. Even searches, okay, is going all the way back to like 5 years ago, which is right before the huge climb up that we saw in 2021. It's kind of late this year, kind of late this cycle, I should say, but it's good that we're seeing interest overall come back to this space. Now, obviously, besides ETH doing well today, Solana did very well, above 200. It's at 201 right now. It looks like it wants to move further. Okay, there's a lot of things going on Sol. Spot ETF is around the corner. You know, that's a big thing. Also, you know, you got a lot of dApps on board. Okay, that's involved with DEX or DeFi, I should say, DePIN, AI, tokenization, all over the place. And that is why you're seeing TVL skyrocket to a multi-year high, almost all-time high, because there's a lot of liquidity, a lot of dApps, a lot of memes coming alive. And overall, Solana is now leading in a lot of metrics, DEXs, NFTs, volume, daily transactions, you name it. So Solana's rise is, or recovery, I should say, really is no surprise. Okay, but they're not the only ones. Obviously, ETH has been on fire. It's like $70 away, $80 away from its all-time high. And you have many others that did very well today as well. And oops, let's zoom out. There's many, many others. So it's looking good all around. And today, I covered this morning. We even had a new exchange called Bullish. Today is IPO day, and it surged 3x upon opening. So obviously this shows what kind of momentum we have right now. There are a ton of people, retail investors, and institutions that all want a piece of crypto, right? So looking good all around. That's pretty much it. You know, like there's really nothing else to cover other than, you know, it's been absolutely fantastic. Today is DCA day. In case you're wondering, let's take a look. I'm at all-time high 119%, looking pretty good. Today, you know what? I haven't DCA for like 3 weeks now, right? I think I'm a little underweight in Ethereum. So what I'm going to do is just put $300 in Ethereum, bumping that up. But outside of that, everything is coming up. Solana is coming up, Sui, Cardano, XRP, BNB, Avalanche, Chainlink. You got a lot of great movers right now. And that is why this portfolio is at all-time high. And I think tonight we're going to get more action. I think ETH may be breaking into a new high. It'll be awesome to see ETH at like 5,000 tomorrow. It'll be awesome to see Bitcoin at 125, if not higher. I did look at the liquidity chart right before this. I'll bring it up for you guys. There's a couple places we may end up. So that's what I'm talking about. We did liquidate a lot of shorts today, a lot of shorts. But if we keep going higher, you can see there is a big level right here at 125.4. And if we could get that or break above, we may be at 126. But I do think if we push a little higher, we could definitely be in the 125s in the near future. Now, if we do push lower, may go to 121 or maybe a little bit below that, 120. But I don't think anyone's going to be complaining if we do, right? The momentum is definitely looking like we want to move more to the upside. So after we break into 124s, 125 is probably right around the corner. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Enjoy your gains. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right? Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.